This is Sonny. Yay, Sonny, look in the mirror. Look in the mirror. Look in the camera. This is Sonny, my favorite bird in the world. He's a budgie, and he can talk. Say hi, Sonny. Say hi. Hello. Good morning, Sonny. Good morning. Good morning. Guess he's not gonna talk. Are ya? What up? What up, dude? Yeah. Yeah, you see the birds? That's you. That's you. You're famous. What else you want in life? Yeah, don't you want to be famous, mister? Yeah. You say hi. Yeah. Tell Terry how happy you were to get her email. Say, I'm happy, Terry, that I got emailed from you. Tell her. Yeah, I do that. Would you do that? Yeah. Why don't you send her a happy email and say, thank you, Terry, for that email. Tell her. Would you do that? Or my kiss. Say hello. Mommy gotta take a shower. I definitely gotta take a shower. What are you doing? Oh, here comes your cat. Oh, that kitty cat. Oh. My cat better leave you alone. I love you, Sonny. Anyway, this is Sonny. He's my budgie. Very beautiful. Very smart, witty. And he knows what he wants in life. He wants his mommy. Right, Sonny? I guess he's going to be quiet now, huh? Alright, say goodbye. Say bye-bye. See ya. What? Toot, 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 toot. You want honey? Meow! I hear that kitty cat. You hear the kitty cat, Sonny? Oh, I hear the potty cat. Oh. Alright. Bye. Say bye. Say bye. Bye.